What's up, everybody? This is LockBoy Stunner with LockBoy Cinema, and I'm here with another Tech Tuesday. Today, we're going to be talking about SkyScanner. This is for all my travelers out there who looking for good prices on plane tickets, because you know traveling is expensive. I got you. You know what I'm saying? SkyScanner is available for Android. It's available for iPhones. You can look it up on their website, whatever. Let's pull SkyScanner up and get into it. Now, when you pull up SkyScanner, you will see the flights, hotels, car rental right there at the top, just like any other site, right? So you can click on flights, and then when you click on flights, it's gonna show up where you can choose round trip, one way, multi-city, or whatever. So we're gonna choose round trip. We're flying out of Atlanta Airport, but you know it's gonna be wherever you're flying out at. And let's just say we want to go to, let's just say LAX, Los Angeles. So boom, we type in LAX, and let's just say we want to choose the date. Let's say we're gonna choose Halloween, right? So we choose that. What's going on? Oh, it's in 2024. Yeah, that's crazy. Okay, so we click that. And let's just say we want to come back November 2nd. Boom. So then it's gonna be like, okay, that's when you want to leave. If you do that, done. Then all the flights are gonna pop up from cheapest to most expensive. You see, you got flights from $101 to $102. You know what I'm saying? Show how it come up. It updates in real time, so it's gonna give you like the best flights for the specific time that you're trying to go. Like you see, like these are like $96 flights, like $100 flights, like $132. Like, man, you can't beat it. And also you can come in and hit filter if you want to search by like direct flights or one stop or two stop. Let's just say you don't want any stops, you just want to go straight down, right? So boom, you just hit that, and then it's going to show you all the direct flights straight to LAX from Atlanta, and it's going to have the prices on all of them also. So you see, like, man, it's real organized, man. I like it. Now let's also say, like, you want to go to LAX, but you don't know exactly what day or month you want to go. So, right, if you look, like, it has prices for like every month and every day. So you can decide, be like, okay, well, I'm just scrolling and I want to go in February, you know what I'm saying? Or let's just say, okay, I want to take my chick to LA for Valentine's Day. So let's just say if I want to go on February 13th, boom, you got that. And then if you want to click the return, then you know, okay, well, we'll return on like that Friday. Boom, and then you just hit done, and then it's gonna filter and give you the best prices for those dates, right? So you know, you start scrolling, you see like it's updating, it's giving you prices or whatever. So you see like American Airlines like got a round trip flight 323, 322. So you can give it a second to like kind of update to see the best prices. You see how like 287 price came up. So, you know, it's a dope app, man. Like, I like it. And also, you know, you can do the same for like hotels. So like if you go like hotel, it's gonna pop up like hotels in LA that you can stay at that has decent prices. You know what I'm saying? They got like $131 a night, $124, you know, stuff like that. Like, I think this is just real dope. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, same thing, you can sort and filter, do all that per night. If you want to stay at like 5-star hotel, 4-star hotels, it has that. If you want to only choose the hotels that got breakfast included, you can do that, and it's going to show all of that. So like, it's real dope, man. Like, I highly recommend this app. You know, same thing for car rentals, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna show up all the car rentals locations in that area. So if I was to choose Los Angeles International Airport, then you know, just like any other app, it's gonna pop up. And then, you know, you could choose what you want, you know, and you know, car types, if you want like small, medium, large, SUV, whatever type of car you want, you could choose that, as well as the pickup. If you want it at the airport, you know what I'm saying, terminal, or however you want to do it, you could do that. So like, it's real dope. I think the most dope feature that they have on here is the Explore Everywhere tab. And pretty much like explore everywhere, let's just say like I'm traveling from Atlanta, right? Boom. And I don't know exactly where I want to travel to. Well, I don't even know when I want to go, actually, right? So it's gonna like calculate the best ticket prices from low to high for every country. So you see how I got like the United States, Puerto Rico, El Salvador, Canada, US, Virgin Island, like it got everywhere that you can think of, right? So let's just say I want to go to Colombia, right? I don't have any specific date chosen. So it's gonna like find the best deals for me, and it's gonna break them down into weeks out of the month, and then I could choose like what week I want to go, right? So let's just say I want to go to, it's giving me the option like, let me choose a city. Let's say if I choose Cartagena, right? So I choose Cartagena, and now it's gonna pull up like dates for deals. So you see like if I travel like September 25th, you know, and came back on like the 30th, like they got $400 flights. They got October got like $200 flights, like $233, $225. October got a lot of $200 flights, and that's dope because I can plan, you know what I'm saying, to take multiple trips. Like if you're a traveler and you want to fill your schedule up, then you can like do this where you don't have to like, you know, break the bank. You can be like, okay, well, I want to travel, but I don't want to spend that much money. So where can I go? And that's when you would use that, and you can find like, okay, 223, November 6th, boom, let me lock that on. So then when you click on it, you know, it's going to pop up, right? For that. And then you just choose whatever time is best for you. And then you can just lock that on, you know what I'm saying? And it's gonna pop up, and you found 261, boom, you go ahead and lock that and you're done. Man, I feel like that is a crazy feature because I'm getting on like, I wanna hit a lot of countries, right? And you know, sometimes, you know, on regular sites trying to choose plane tickets, you know, the tickets may be expensive for when you're trying to go. But with SkyScanner, I can search ahead and plan out where I want to go. Like if I know for sure I want to go to like Brazil or anywhere, I can scroll ahead and find the best prices, and based around that, I can choose when I will depart and when I come back. So I feel like that's just dope, man. So I highly recommend SkyScanner. It's definitely a great jewel, you know what I'm saying, to have in your traveler like bag, man. I'm telling you, like SkyScanner, like I use that more than I was using like Kayak, Travelocity, all that. But you know, even like the little Google where you can look up plane tickets, I feel like SkyScanner has the best price. But not only that, but me being able to look ahead and see what the best prices are at that specific time, it can help me travel like every month. Like if I wanted to, like if I wanted to travel like once or twice a month, I could do that. I can just plan ahead and, you know, and get a bang for my buck. So yeah, man, make sure y'all check that out. SkyScanner. It's Tech Tuesday. LockBoy Stunner signing out.